Ito, principles, biblical principle for healthy marriage. Ito po ay based sa ginawa ni Dr. Roderick na book at nandun po yung details nito. First principle is forgiveness and love. Assume, habang tumatagal po tayo sa ating marriage, we need to understand, number one is yung forgiveness and love. Be kind and passionate to one another, forgiving each other just as Christ has forgiven. Forgiveness, always, and love. If you can only forgive if you love. Yun ang usual understanding, but it's a command to forgive, especially ang iyong partner. Forgiveness mirror God's grace towards us. Remember, the first one who forgive us is God, and therefore we should forgive others, especially asawa mo. Kasi in some point, tao pa rin yan eh. It will fail in some parts. And so, you need to keep on forgiving. And ano yung sabi sa Matthew 18, 19, chapter, how much you forgive? 99 times, 77 times 7, right? It's a figure, doesn't mean that around 400 something. It means only that unlimited forgiveness. Okay? So, sabi ni Gary Chapman, sa kanyang book na Five Loves Language in page 151, Christian idea of marriage is based on Christ's word that a man and wife are to be regarded as one single organism, male and female, at one flesh. So we are now one flesh. When God see us sa mata ng Panginoon, we are now in one spirit. Iisa na lang ang spirit ninyo pag kayo ay nag-asawa. Unity and sacrifice. Second is unity and sacrifice. Submit to one another out of reverence for Christ. Hindi lang yun wife ang magsasubmit, but also husband. So it means a lot of sacrifices. So a healthy marriage involves mutual submission and sacrificial love. The true meaning ng love in a biblical sense is sacrificial love, and especially this coming Valentine's, we definition ng love is totally nasira sa panahon ngayon dahil we created so many definition ng love. But if you check in biblical sense, meaning ng love, it's really sacrificial. One proof of that is si God the Father, sinacrifice niya ang kanyang Son, si Jesus Christ, para sa atin. So yun po ang ultimate meaning ng love. So in our marriage, it's a sacrificial love. Sabi ni Egridge, husband and wife must understand the power of mutual understanding. We need respect and she needs love. Right? So for those leading the church, we need to teach them biblical principles of marriage. Men need respect, woman needs love.